My channel and welcome back to day 8 of my Vlogmas 2018 Advent Calendar unboxing. I'm going to get straight in with it and I'm going to go into our Airwick calendar over here and I'm going to open day number 8. Where are my scissors? There they are. Okay. Number 8. Ooh, this calendar, you can properly smell it, obviously because it's full of like scented candles, but love it. Love it. Ooh, which one do we have today? Today we have the red one, which I believe is the mulled wine. Oh, I think this is probably my favourite. I'm a fan of spiced apple, mulled winey type smells. They are my favourites, so yes. Let's go over to the advent calendar that I made myself. And what day are we on again? We're on day number 8. This is where I'm going to start now to get confusing. We're over a weekend now. So now I'm going to start to get confused about what day we're on and all of that jazz. And cheers to that, my loves. Chin chin. Mwah. Day number 8. Where are you? There you are. So much easier to open them once a few of them have come out. Number 8. So I'm seeing another glitter. This is a very different one. This is a gold. This is like a gold holographic type glitter. This is called Gold Digger. I'm aware that you're not going to really be able to see very well on camera like how cool some of these things are, but I'm going to try and get like some nice Instagram pictures of things as well, so check me out on Instagram if you're not already. I will leave links down below and all that jazz, but yeah, cute! So let's move on to the next one. Let's go into this sleek advent calendar right here. Cannot wait another day. Totally true. Okay, so where is number 8? I see you, number 8. I see you, number 8. Where are you? Half opened it. Ooh, I think this might be like a liquid liner or something. It seemed like that kind of packaging. Dip It eyeliner. So this is a liquid eyeliner. Very interesting. It's in black. It's in black. It is black. I mean, it makes sense either way, right? So this is a black liquid eyeliner. I'm much more of a fan of like brush eyeliners, but I will definitely give this a try. I'm sure it will be really good. And yeah, my nose is so itchy. I think it's because of the candles and the smells. Let's go into the Serpent of Glory one. Day number 8. How is it Vlogmas? I'm still like not even dealing with the fact that it's whatever. Okay, so this is a boring one. It's not a boring one, but it's the same as what we got in the first day. If some of you guys can remember, it's like a little sample. But this is a sample of the Soap and Glory Clean On Me Shower Gel. So it's just a really small little sample. There is 8 ml in here, and you'll be able to use that once in the shower. Let's now move on. We'll go in with the L one. Oh my gosh, literally I can see number 8 straight away. I'm not sure if you guys can even see me when I'm over here. Sorry guys, there's only so much space. I've got my bigger, I've got like my more zoomed out lens on and everything, but yeah, there's only so much that I can fit into a frame. Ooh, I'm seeing right now. Do I have this? Have I tried this? I've got this in one of my Too Faced. So this is a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and now I'm thinking about it, I don't think I have ever tried this. Which is the one? Which is... Oh yeah, yes I have, I'm lying. Too Faced is, you can actually see her right there, she was one of my Christmas collections and they came, I have a couple of them and they came with these. I don't know if I've actually used it yet, I might have used it like once or twice, but it's just a little mini Too Faced mascara. We've got 4.8 grams in there and yeah, it will be in the shade black and I will be able to use that on my eyelashes. Not my eyelids or my eyeballs, but my lashes. And let's go into the All I Want for Christmas from Glossybox. Glossybox, I love you. Number 8. Let's see what is in here. I feel like I'm getting quicker at this now, you guys. Do you agree? Do you think I am? Oh, I've had a bit of practice now, a week in, you know what I'm saying? What have we got? I suppose it depends what we've got. Oh my god, okay. What? Oh, I'm excited. Is this Real Techniques? I think it is Real Techniques. but it's very different to like this. I am gonna friggin' love this. I already do. Expert foundation brush. So I have the Expert face brush by Real Techniques, and it's one of my favourite brushes for putting makeup on. I'm so happy about this. So like the branding is different to what I'm used to. It's different to what I'm used to seeing, but it's a set RT, and I'm gonna believe, because this came with glossy box, that it's Real Techniques, not like a genuine Real Techniques. So yes, I'm gonna love this brush. I love the Expert face brush, and this is the Expert foundation brush. Honestly, oh yes, I'm gonna love this. I've started actually trying to use my foundation, like my wet foundations more, and I don't use, if I'm going out and it's like a special occasion, I'll probably use a blender, beauty blender, well, like a makeup sponge, because I do think you get more of a flawless application. But I think the brushes are just easier, you don't have to go wet them, and I still love like the way that you get, like the look that you get. And I'm trying to like use more of my items, I'm trying to do makeup more, and so yeah, that is going to come in so handy. I'm really pleased with that. Yay! Let's move on now to Body Shop. Body Shop, where are you? Number 8. I see number 9. I see number 8. Yay! Found number 8. Let's see what's in here. It's quite light. Ooh, what is it? Oh, so this is the Body Shop Mango Hand Cream. Oh, it's sealed. I'm not going to open it, purely for the fact I've got so many hand creams on the go at the moment that I don't want to like waste any, and they do go funny after a while, and they lose the scent and stuff. So I'm going to leave this one as it is for now, but I can't wait to try that. I don't know if I have anything that's like mango scented from them. Again, it's not an item that I've had from them before. I didn't get it last year in the calendar, so awesome. Right, is that right? 2, 4, 6. Oh my god, we're on the last thing. Oh no, I don't. I didn't know what this was, but it is just, it's a molten brown shower gel. Let's smell this bad boy. Oh, that smells, oh my god, what does that smell like? Right, okay. If anybody nobody's going to be able to answer this question for me. Ooh. For me, this is bringing back memories for an Elle perfume, and it's called, is it Elle? It's an expensive one, and it's in a purple bottle. I have it, but I can't get to it at the moment because it's under there somewhere. And I swear, that proper smells like that. It's so nice, and I love it so much. Jasmine and Sun Rose Bath and Shower Gel, so I'll definitely be using that. We have a couple of shower gels now throughout like our calendars, but yeah. So that is that for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked what we got. I'm starting to get a little bit faster now. Some videos will be quicker and some will be longer, depending on the products that I get and whether I'm trying them or whether I have things to say about them or whatnot. But yeah, I really hope you are enjoying this series so far. Happy Vlogmas, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah! Bye!